Good morning. Sob manuge isor naam bra sabat blessing jana jase. Ami ju media platform bra opportunity loi kena isor la khota ekta duita share kuru manase. Aji loda mila topic to hole do uh, encounter with Jesus. Tax collector Zacchaeus la kuru manase. Luke chapter 19 verse 1 to 9. Bible thakile sob manu be ekbar Bible khuli kena Luke chapter 19 verse 1 to 9 ekbar purubo. Ede nikali kya ase ami English pa puri dibo King James version. And Jesus entered and passed through Jericho. And behold, there was a man named Zacchaeus, who was the chief among the tax collectors. And he was rich. And he sought to see who Jesus was, and could not for the crowd, because he was little of stature. And he ran on ahead and climbed up into a sycamore tree to see him, for he was to pass that way. And when Jesus came to the place, he looked up and saw him, and said unto him, Zacchaeus, make haste and come down, for today I must abide at your house. And he made haste and came down and received him joyfully. And when they saw it, they all murmured, saying that he was gone to be a guest with a man that is a sinner. And Zacchaeus stood and said unto the Lord, Behold, Lord, the behalf of my goods I give to the poor. And if I have taken anything from any man by false accusation, I restore him fourfold. And Jesus said unto him, This day is salvation come to this house, since he also is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek and save that which was lost. So manabi itu ami kan story tu jani ase. Itu kani ami time bishil na loigena. Yate Zacchaeus ke kile tahan papi manu regard kore. Kile mane Zacchaeus nizor manu ke Rome karne King Caesar on behalf of King Caesar kane takhan bra tax paisa collect kore. Itu border which is against God as well against Jews system. Inika kore kina nizor manu ke betray kura, isor ke betray kura kane takhan taike regard kore as the chief sinner regard kore taike. Inika kore kina holibi kitia ami kan jani ase kitia Zacchaeus isor ke log korise itu homoi bra Zacchaeus to isor mon badli kore kina isor logote pura mon di dise. Aji ami yate bra story to ami sob manu janya kane khali ami yate tinta point olai kena apni kan sab ki share kumana ase. Number 1 point psychometry bra ami kan ki lesson learn kore, Zacchaeus bra ami kan ki learn kore, Jesus Christ bra ami kan ki shike lesson to ami sab me ke share kumana ase. Psychometry bra ami kan ki shike ki lesson ami kan opor de logina ni psychometry do le do Zacchaeus thakya kane Zacchaeus isroge loko parishe. Bible dibi ko ase Matthew chapter 7 verse 17 to 19 de nikali kya ase bal gas dole do bal guti durubo halbe bia gas to guti na durubo ar guti na dura khan dole do joidi katikena hale dibo ko kena Bible likya ase. Itu nishina ami khan ekta gas represent kura psychometry nishina represent kuri kena isor logo de papi manu khan na punchia dikhona para inika hange isor ge loigena ani dibule lagi ami khan bi John chapter 15 verse 1 to 18 gal kya ase Jesus Christ do tai do vine ase, he is the true vine, ami khan do branches ase. Ami khan itu gas de branches vine logo de abide na kurina thakile do ami khan guti na durbo kuina Bible de nikali kya ase. Ara ami khan isor logo de abide na thakile do we are nothing, ami khan ukubi nai kushi. Itu kane when we are abide with Jesus Christ, we will bear fruit. And bear fruit tole da ami kan bishi manu souls isor logo de loigina ani bole paribo koikena Bible de nikali kya ase. Itu nishina ami kan itibar lesson learn kore psychometry bra. Zacchaeus pra ami kan ki learn kore Zacchaeus bi tai nizor bra tai nizor ke consider kora tai nizor jani ase who he is a tax collector aur tai ki galat kap kore ase tai jani ase. Jani ke na tai nika janile bi isor ke log kurubole desire thakya kane gas opor uthibo parise tai itu nishina ami khan bi desire papi manu ase ami khan bi kun ase ami nijor bra individual bra ami khan sob bi kun ase ko de jani ase itu nishina ami khan bi papi manu ase ko kina ami khan nijor ki consider kuri kina isor logote desire spiritually bra atma bra ami khan isor ke lok rule kusis desire thakile ami khan surely isor ke encounter kuri kina aji ami khan bi salvation da ami khan gorde aro isor laga salvation da ami khan bi pabo ko kina jane dia ase itu kane ami khan bi is desire isor ke hodai din kinika every prayer bra isor lo desire kuri kina ami khan connect kuri kina thakibo lage ko to komun ase ami khan third point Jesus Christ bra ami khan ki lesson learn kuri kule do ami khan kun bi thakibi kiman papi manu bi thakibi isor do le ami khan ki individual bra personally bra ami khan ki jani ase de ami khan kiman pap hoina isor lo polai thakilibi isor logode aji mon gurai gena ahibi ko gena kumun ase ami kiman galat kam kuri thakilibi isor logode ai gena atma labra encounter kuribi ko na kumun ase kile mani isor dole da abi khan ki individual bra ami khan ki jani ase ar ami khan ki mati ase isor dole do papi manu ke bachabole ahise kun nijor ke sapha manu ase niga bapna pura khan ke no hoy itu kane aji amila pradhana ase amila prayer ase ami khan sob manu bi atma laga sukubra isor ge encounter kurigena Zacchaeus nisna complete surrender kurigena Zacchaeus complete surrender kurina tai kiman galat kurise isor ku kise tai ami return kuri dibo koigena itu nishina ami khan bi kiman tapap kurise isor lo de return kurigena ahile isor bra aji ami khana gordebi salvation do ami khan gorde luigena nibo ami khan laga paribar family khan kiman jon ase sab tu video huni thaka sab laga bordebi isor la salvation thakibo dei koina janai dia ase isor la blessing aro sabat la blessing sab laga bordebi thaki dibi koigena itu prathana ami isor nam dehi ase amen god bless you thank you so much